irrigator, using every day for oral health. But in the bathroom saturated with moisture, how do you care the oral irrigator? Not only potential contamination of water tank, but all kinds of bacteria and contamination in the invisible pipe. Global oral care leading brand, Aquapick. Now, clean and care, even inside of the oral irrigator. Aquapick cleaning tablet. The moment the tablet meets the water, strongly foaming, hundreds of thousands of cleaning drops. Put an Aquapick cleaning tablet in water tank. Press the power button. Put the jet tip in the water tank. Switch the handle button up to jet water. Cleaning solution being circulated. Refill the tank with clean water. Once more jet. Super strong foaming micro cleaning solution. Dirt formed in the water tank, clean. Clean the fur and bacteria in the pipe difficult to clean. Even bacteria and foreign matters hidden in the hose, fully clean. Clear up even invisible place. E. coli, staphylococcus, and mutants, 99.9% sterilization. A clear difference after using Aquapick cleaning tablet. Alcohol-free, chlorine-free, pigment-free, 3-free cleaning, even invisible inside. Clean easily. Really cool, strongly foam cleaning. Aquapick cleaning tablet.